Here. I just want to bring this article to you guys. 1 dead, 2 seriously injured. Major explosion in Baltimore with victims trapped. It says Baltimore City firefighters are on the scene of a major gas explosion at Labyrinth and Reiserstown Road involving 3 homes. Officials say there are 2 occupants transported in serious condition, 1 adult woman dead as they continue to search for more. Updates as of 10 a.m. Baltimore firefighters say 3 patients, all critical, have been rescued by firefighters. Special rescue operations units have arrived and are beginning to search and rescue the other patients. Medic units have been called, and units from Baltimore County firefighters have been called to help. A major explosion allegedly occurred near Reiserstown Road on Monday morning, according to reports. The Baltimore City Firefighter Union tweeted that several houses exploded and at least 5 people trapped, along with some children allegedly. Stay with Fox 45 for more details. And as soon as there's more details, I'll bring more to you. Alright, peace out, guys.